Hello, I'm Lish Vasquez, Dining Services Director at Glencroft Center for Modern Aging, and today on our ZO program, we are going to make the JADE tuna sandwich. First off, you're going to want to start off with your favorite kind of tuna. You can do albacore, skipjack, whatever you like. We usually use albacore, so I have that in a bowl right here. I use a 9-grain wheat bread. I have some diced Granny Smith apples here, soaked in a little bit of lemon juice just to keep them from browning. And I have some sliced green onions, some celery, and some light mayonnaise, a little bit of lime juice, and lime zest. That's what makes the JADE tuna a little different. It's a refreshing tuna salad to go on your sandwich. So a little bit of that lime kick makes it a little bit fresher and lighter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with our bit of tuna here. Now you're only gonna add enough mayo until it's just enough to make it not dry. You don't want it too dry. If you can at least mix it and get it to make that squishy noise, is what I always say, you've got enough mayonnaise. You really don't need a whole lot. You just want enough to bind it together, okay? Because if it's too flaky, it's not gotten enough mayo. Then you're gonna add your diced Granny Smith apples here. Your celery. And your green onions. The reason I use green onions is just because red onions bleed and make the whole thing turn pink. And then white onions sometimes can be too strong. So I think green onions just kind of give it that light onion flavor without being too overpowering. Then we're gonna add a little bit of our lime juice. This is fresh lime juice. And fresh lime zest of 1 lime. And you're gonna mix that all together like this. Until everything is evenly incorporated. That looks good to me. Got enough mayo, everything looks binded well. All right, so now we're gonna start building our sandwich. So take our green plate and our bread. I use spring mix for the lettuce on this. You can use any kind of lettuce you'd like. You're gonna put your tuna on one side. Just like that. There we go. Should have enough in there to make 2 sandwiches. I'm gonna put that right on top like that. Cut it in half. And there you have it, the JADE tuna sandwich. I'm Lish Vasquez, Dining Services Director at Glencroft Center for Modern Aging. Just because it's healthy doesn't mean it doesn't taste good. Thank you, bye-bye.